Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I will discuss about alignment creation. Okay, let's open the file. This file is the same file that I used in my previous video. The surface creation. And from this, I will teach you to make alignment. There's a lot of different way of alignment creation. But first, let's go with Home tab, alignment creation tools. Alignment name, let's say Belfont alignment. Center line, chainage 0. Propose. Okay. This is alignment layout tools. We can use this three. This is just a sample. Let's say let's use this tangent with curve. Let's start with in this point. And then now this is our center line for alignment. I will just close the surface for you to see clearly. So now we already have alignment, but I will show you the other tools for creating alignment. Actually, there's a lot, but whatever it is, whatever you use it here. It's the same with this one. This one is just detailed, but I will show you some. Hello guys. You can explore this, but like what I've said, whatever option here is already in this tree combined. You see the difference of this two alignment. Okay, let's go back to our file. This I just show you the. Let's go back to our file. Okay. By the way, when you close this alignment layout tools and you create another one, it's a different alignment name. That's why you should not close this until your alignment is not yet finished. And for now, let's say the labeling of the alignment, like what I've told before, whatever you make in your Civil 3D, you can see it in Prospector tab. Let's go to alignment, which is this one. This is the alignment that we create. If you select it, it will select the center line. This is the center line of the road. By the way, this tutorial is only for how Civil 3D works. But when it comes to technicality of the road radius and the slope of the road, it's that's for design engineer. I just show you the only the this tutorial. This tutorial is for Civil 3D only. But for the standard, the minimum radius for the curve, that's for design engineer. Okay, since we already have alignment, let's close this. And then let's edit the labels of our alignment. Or you can add also the labels here. Just click your alignment, and then as you can see in prospect, our contextual tab, it show here the option regarding this alignment. So let's say add labels. For example, we add labels here. You can add labels and you have options here. So for now, let's edit the label. Select your alignment, or go to your prospector tab, right click, and then properties. This is the same thing with other entity like surface, or this is the way of editing your labels. Okay, let's edit the labels. For example, this. Just click the entity and then right click. Edit alignment labels. Actually, you have a guide here. There is a preview, so you can follow what is the changes you made. And when you make editing, always highlight or click this and then go to format. For example, you want to change the text or the color. Or change the height if you want. So you see the change. Whatever you want to edit, just click and always right click. And then edit alignment labels. For example, this same, let's and when the dialog box, it shows, just click the style you want to edit. Actually, not this station equation. Let's try this. All you can do here is trial and error because there's a lot. As long as you know the concept, you know what is used. If you are not familiar in the name of all of these, you can make a trial and error. Like for example, this same procedure. Highlight. Okay. Design speed. There's no other way. Just to for editing labels, you can make it one by one. It depends on the name category. By the way, there is option also here. When the station, I make a station yellow, only the station will change. And then let's go to design speed. Okay. Okay, let's apply it. And you can see the design speed will change. Let's say this is too far from alignment. Let's change the offset. Actually, the procedure is same. All you have to do is to just repeat again and again whatever changes regarding editing labels. For example, also, you don't want to show this design speed. In general, there is true and the false. Station, you don't want to show this, just choose the false. Okay. So you can see it's not visible now, but we need that one. So let's show it again. If the line is too far from your alignment, you can change the length here. All you have to do is, as long as you know already the procedure how to edit it, you can just make, you just can read and then change it. Whatever you can see the changes from here, you can follow in the preview. Okay, now it looks good, so apply it. Now it's more, and then let's change this also, same. Let's say geometry points. Okay, let's say 1.5, and then line, let's change the line like 20. Okay, you can follow, guys, right, how to edit the labels. just click the labels you want to edit, right click and then edit alignment labels, and then the dialog box will show, and then in the under style you can click it here, and then this option, edit current selection, and then another dialog box will appear, and then you can just explore this one as long as you have preview. And in this dialog box there is also option here, station or the tick. The tick is this small line here for the exact station. Okay, just edit it, and when you, like for example, you want to change the station, go to text and then highlight this and then format, then it's up to you what do you want, what text or what color you can use, and then after that okay. And one more thing, you want to add also, like for example, you want to show only, not only the station you want to show in your drawing. For example, you want to show the northings, there is option here in the properties, under properties, like for example you want to show northings, and then in the preview click enter and click this arrow, and then again, or let's change the color of this, or let's say blue. Since we have a northing, we need also easting. But don't forget, if you make a additional, always your cursor should be at the bottom, and then click this arrow, okay, apply, okay, and then apply, okay. So see in your alignment, not only the station will show, also the coordinates. But normally we don't show the coordinates in this alignment. I will just remove that one. I just show you what you can do more in the alignment labeling. How to delete that? Let's go here. Go to your northing and easting. Just delete using your keyboard. Okay. Now our alignment. Now we already have alignment. For review again, because labeling editing is it's confusing. Click whatever you want to edit, style, and then click the under style menu. All you have to do is to just explore. For example, the station, design, line, marker. For example, your line, you want to change the color of the line, or you don't want to show it. Or let's say magenta. Okay, since we have already alignment, I will make a profile for this alignment. But this profile is only a surface profile. This is not a design road profile, only surface profile. So let's go home, surface, and then create